Thanks for having me here. As you said, the question about digital transformation now is more about how to go about it than what or when, because you have a set of customers and the landscape which are already convinced about the need for digital transformation, and across the region you see customers are working overnight to transform digitally. When it comes to how customers are talking more about business outcomes and achieving transformation at scale, achieving efficiency and optimization of resources at scale. So it hovers around getting the best of their investment from the technology and achieving business outcomes at the fastest possible time. So the conversations are all about outcome and time to value. Like you said, Redington has always invested in building capacity in the channel. Redington's route to market is always been channel and tier 2, and all the investments that we are making currently is to ensure that our channel partners make the most of it. As partners move more and more towards a software world, a services world, the important thing is about building capabilities and competencies, number one. So we have Redington Academy launched recently, and we are investing a lot on launching courses and helping channel build competencies in the areas of cloud, software, security and AI. The second thing that we are doing is we are investing in a number of reusable assets, like for example our cloud commerce portal, which is called CloudWorks. We will have the release of the CQ 2.0 in January. We are bringing in a number of new features on top of what we already have. For example, we have a single pane of glass for managing subscription. We have a number of tools and resources for FinOps and services management. And we are going to introduce a full-fledged marketplace, which is modular in nature, which is API first, and which has white labeling services for our partners. So all these investments that we are making in assets and in marketing and in terms of building capacity competencies for partners, I would encourage all our partners to get to know more about what are the competencies we are building, what are the kind of resources and assets we are building for the partners to make the most of them. So we see massive opportunities. Obviously, the biggest buzzword currently is in AI, but the way we look at AI is very different. When we think of AI, we don't just think about the use cases, the agents, the applications which are powered by AI and the model grounding opportunities. They are definitely a big opportunities, but AI also means readiness in terms of infrastructure, particularly on the cloud, readiness in terms of data, because you don't have good AI without good data in place, readiness in terms of people. So we are spending a lot and investing in helping build skills in the market. And the fourth pillar is, of course, the readiness in terms of building the right governance and the guardrails so that you have responsible AI. So everything put together, this is a big opportunity, both in AI side, number one. Again, on the we have been building a solid practice and seen a very steady revenue in the hyperscaler play. We work with almost all the hyperscalers, and the cloud adoption is only on the rise, and the number of services continue to increase in the public cloud space. We are also very well invested in building capacity in the software-defined data center, in the software infrastructure space. And of course, an extremely important subject going ahead is cybersecurity. More and more companies going digital in the region means that the cost of cyber threat is much more for the digital assets than ever before. So and again, the cybersecurity means there are different silos. It's a very fragmented area. It requires very many different kinds of skills. So we are investing there as well for the partners, and that's a great opportunity. And hence, cybersecurity again is a great opportunity. So we see pretty much very strong opportunities coming in AI, cloud, security, and software.